Hi, from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today, I am taking you into the kitchen for a full meal prep on our menu for a Shabbos lunch menu. Salads, which I love to make. I will tell you that this is not a new item. Chicken isn't really a new item. I was at this wine tasting in Brooklyn back in February. I will tell you, part of the wine tasting was food tasting. There was a company that had chicken and turkey. I tasted this chicken. It's like something I'd never tasted before. It was so fresh, so plump, juicy, delicious. I had to buy it. It's from a company called Chosen Poultry. They have their own farm. This is a heritage chicken. It's about 2.5 pounds. I said to them, how do I cook this? This is amazing. What did you do? She said, simple seasonings. Don't overdo the seasonings. Just roast it. Dry your chicken very well before you roast it. We did a nice pat down. We let it sit on our rack so that it all dried out. She said, just use simple seasonings. I'm using the rack so that the chicken will not sit in the juices and get all soggy, because I want that nice crispness to the skin on the outside. She said, just put on some olive oil, a little salt, pepper, sprinkle with a little paprika for the color. Massage it all in, all around your chicken. Give it a good rub down with all the seasonings, the wings, the legs. We're going to place it right on our rack. That's it. Our chicken is ready to go into the oven at 375. Our next item are green beans. We just gave them a rinse, made sure that all of the ends have been snipped off. I'm taking a nice large pan, adding a little bit of olive oil on the bottom, and just going to spread them all out so that they're a nice single layer. Now we just season them up with a little salt and pepper. Sumac. Gives it that little extra tang that your guests are going to say, whoa, has that little lemony tang to it. Roast those right in the oven along with the chicken. Green beans, done. Now let's work on our potatoes. I'm using the small yellow potatoes, so we're just going to take them out of the bag, give them a nice rinse. Olive oil on the bottom of the pan. 1 chopped up onion. We're going to chop up an onion to put it on the bottom of our pan along with our potatoes. Add your potatoes right in. Spread them out so that they're a nice layer of potatoes. Sprinkle with my pinch of salt, pepper, paprika. Give them a nice little rub so the seasonings get all over your potatoes. Cover your potatoes with your parchment paper, your wet parchment paper, a tight seal with foil. They are going to roast till they are soft. Then we're going to do a little smash, probably about an hour. They will roast in the oven, 375, 400. So let's recap. Chicken roasting in the oven. My green beans in the oven with a little seasoning on them. Now the potatoes. Beautiful chickens. Now you turn up your oven to 475 for 20 minutes till they get golden brown. Our chicken came out beautiful. Roasted potatoes, done. Green beans. To accompany it, we're going to be making a green salad with peppers, cucumbers, fresh herbs, some snap peas. That will be our green, and some scallions. That'll be our green salad made with lemon and Dijon. Nice fresh salad, bring in spring. Along with a staple that I have in my house, which is my Asian slaw made with sesame oil and rice vinegar. Some ramen noodles. Love serving it. I can't wait. I have to try this chicken. It's crispy. We're going to taste this chicken. Chicken, the flavor, juicy, chosen chicken. Worth every penny. From Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen, hope you enjoy our menu for a Shabbos lunch.